line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 32 nautical miles south of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, or 57 nautical miles south of Destin, moving east at 5 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. The National Weather